when people ask you, when is the baby?
We don't take offense kasi parang tradisyon na yan ng
Di ba?
Pilipino.
Okay.
Ang lagi ko na lang sinasabi, I have a cat, I have a dog. Check
Ako
yung
naman, it
Instagram
bothers
namin.
me.
Okay.
That question, it bothers me because it's so hard to explain. And it's almost unmanageable. Kasi ito, I'll bring it to another point. Gaano kahalaga ang anak to a successful marriage?
Wow, that's a very good question. Ang pinaka-importante yata sa isang marriage ay isa't isa muna, yung partner mo muna first, before yung pressure na magkaroon ng isang anak. Meron naman sinasabi, focus on the marriage so that yung anak makikita ang very, very good example ng isang partnership and will admire you more.